Hello, welcome. I am in the midst of moving, which is why it's so echoey in here. And I was just singing this song the Lord brought back from several years ago at another time when I was about to move. And as I was singing it, Tim, it was just such a tender moment, and a lot of different people were coming up in my heart. So I thought I'd record it just to sing it over you today. I believe that if you found this, that it's for you, to encourage you that the Lord is good through every season, through everything. He is with us, He's for us, He redeems it. He's with us in the darkest, loneliest night, and He is bringing us to Himself, and in Himself is light no matter where you are, and fullness no matter what you're giving up. So I just wanted to sing that over you today. I pray it blesses you. I love you, Lord, for your mercies never failed me. All my days I am held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire, and in darkest night you were close like no other. I have known you as a father, known you as a friend. I have lived in the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God. He's so good, and He is faithful to keep what you've put in His hand, you yourself held in His hand. So whatever you're facing, whatever is unknown, whatever you're stepping into, whatever you're letting go of, know that the one whose hands were pierced to set you free is holding you fast and is faithful to keep you in every way. Be blessed and be loved.